In this video, I'm going to set up my new project that I'll be building, which is a book logger. I'm making a book logger is because I'm currently wanting a way for me to log the things that I learn every night when I'm reading my own books. So I'll be making a web app using web to build my own book logger to do that function. To start off, I'll be setting up my React project, and then I will be setting up my own Supabase database, and by the end I hope that I'll be successfully set up the project and maybe start coding the main page of the web app. So to start off, I'll be creating a React project using npm create feed latest. Project name, I'll just put it as front end. I will be using React in JavaScript. No. Yes. I'll be naming it front end just in case if I needed a back end, and I can just put it as back in the back end folder. Throughout the project, I'll be using ChatGPT to help me code because I'm kind of lazy and I need this project as soon as possible. So when I open this using control click, and this will appear. I'll put this at the side. Okay, now everything looks okay. I'll open it up and I will clean this stuff. So the app, just delete app. Okay, just clean this up, remove this. Index, clean up. I'll just leave it as that. And for git ignore, I'll put environment variables later. Or maybe I can do it now. So in the front end, I'll be putting a new file called .env. This is where all the environment variables will be at. And for git ignore, I'll put .env. Maybe I'll put it here, so that when I publish this project to Git, it will not show these environment variables it will not show this file. Next, I'll install .env to make sure that the environment variables are able to work. I should cd to front end first rather than doing it in the root project. And now we can put install hold on, let me see. Yeah, just remove this. Remove this. It's not needed. Okay, after that everything is done, I'll be linking up Supabase with it. So first I'll go to Supabase, login, dashboard, the new project, using this organization project, let's copy book logger. Then the password, I'll just let me pause this. Okay, after setting up the password, I'll create the project. Okay, this is what we'll like. Open up the project, then editor, and this is all the table will be at, all the data. How you gonna add the project thing? Project ID, project URL is through the env here. Then you can find it in the Supabase project settings, and you can just copy paste. Let me show you where is it. It will be under project settings, then under data API. Once I've done that, I will now try to make this app appear on the web app and update automatically. So the first thing I'll do is H1 here, and it says this doesn't show here, so because I didn't run the app. So to run your project, you can just type npm run dev, but first you need to cd to your front end project folder before doing that. If not, it won't work. And this will show, and you can just reload and it will show up here. So everything looks good, and I can just clean this up, and everything should be set up already. Nice. Okay, publish is git initialize. Okay, now we just put this. Okay, commit. Okay, everything looks good. Now publish. Let me just make it open source then. Then I'll open GitHub to see the project. Now the project will be here, where I did a lot of work, and there it will be it. Now I'll be publishing my project, which is this, into Vercel, which is an easy way to publish your web app into the world. So what I'll do is add a new project, then it would not appear here at first, but to do at first you need to go to here, adjust app permissions, sign into your own project, then you go down, then you can select a repository that you want to add. But for now I already added my own project, so it will appear here. Then now I will just import and other here, then I will adjust the root directory to front end where all the things are at. So I will just click continue, front end, make sure that everything is correct, and I will add my environment variables that I added into the env here, and then from there you can just click deploy. Then it will show up the logs. Since there's not much project or not much code, it will be fast, and tada, is in the web. So yeah, this is the first step. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna end here today, because I have to head out somewhere, and yeah, I will continue it next week or something. And yeah, anyways, yeah.